Dallas homeowners are increasingly looking for window upgrades that deliver both performance and style. With the city's mix of contemporary architecture, updated ranch homes, and modern renovations, windows play a major role in defining a home's look and comfort. Vinyl windows have evolved far beyond basic designs, now offering sleek, modern options that enhance aesthetics while standing up to Dallas's heat and changing weather. Here's how today's stylish vinyl windows are transforming Dallas homes with modern design and everyday practicality. Slim frames for a clean, contemporary look. One of the biggest design improvements in modern vinyl windows is the introduction of slim frame profiles. These designs maximize glass area while minimizing visible framing. Dallas homeowners benefit from a lighter, more open appearance, more natural light entering living spaces, clean lines that suit modern and transitional homes, a refined exterior look. Slim frames help vinyl windows blend seamlessly with contemporary architecture and modern remodels. Bold frame colors that make a statement. Today's vinyl windows are available in more than just white. Modern color options allow homeowners to customize their look and create contrast. Popular choices in Dallas include black or charcoal frames for bold, modern edge-neutral tones that complement brick or stone, dual-color frames for interior and exterior coordination. These options add personality and architectural interest without sacrificing durability. Grid-free designs for modern simplicity. Many Dallas homeowners prefer a clean, uncluttered window design. Grid-free vinyl windows provide an unobstructed view that aligns with modern design preferences. Design advantages include minimalist aesthetics, clear sightlines to the outdoors, a sleek appearance that enhances curb appeal, easy maintenance. Grid-free designs are especially popular in living rooms, kitchens, and open concept spaces. Modern window styles that fit Dallas layouts. Vinyl windows are available in a wide range of modern styles suited to Dallas homes. Popular options include slider windows for wide openings and easy operation, casement windows for clean lines and ventilation, picture windows for expansive views, and light awning windows for contemporary accents. These styles allow homeowners to tailor window design to each room. Energy-efficient glass that supports comfort. Modern vinyl windows are designed with advanced glass technology to manage Dallas's intense heat. Energy-efficient features include low E coatings to reflect solar heat, double-pane insulated glass, UV protection to reduce fading. These features ensure stylish windows also deliver year-round comfort. Low-maintenance materials for busy lifestyles. Vinyl windows are ideal for Dallas homeowners who want modern style without high maintenance. Vinyl resists warping, peeling, and fading, even under Texas sun. Benefits include no painting or refinishing, easy cleaning with mild soap and water, long-lasting appearance. This makes vinyl windows a practical yet stylish choice. Interior design flexibility. Modern vinyl windows complement a wide range of interior styles, from industrial to minimalist to transitional. They pair well with contemporary trim designs, open floor plans, neutral or bold interior color schemes. This versatility allows homeowners to maintain design consistency throughout the home. Professional installation enhances design impact. To fully achieve a modern look, professional installation is essential. Proper installation ensures precise alignment, clean trim transitions, tight seals for efficiency, long-lasting performance. Stylish, smart window upgrades for Dallas homes. Modern vinyl windows offer Dallas homeowners an ideal blend of style, comfort, and durability. With slim frames, bold color options, clean designs, and energy-efficient performance, today's vinyl windows elevate both interior and exterior aesthetics. If you're looking to modernize your Dallas home while maintaining comfort and efficiency, stylish vinyl windows are a smart investment that delivers lasting value and visual appeal.